me teach you guys some top chart patterns that I know of. And this is just a snippet of like what I really teach. So one chart pattern that I like is right here. This is called a wedge, where that price comes up, comes down, comes up, comes down, comes up, then it breaks below, and then does again. So you can see two wedges back to back. This is a popular chart pattern. It breaks, and then it does it again, and breaks. And then when I was doing my trades in the night, when I was going for growing accounts super fast, I was taking advantage of all these chart patterns. All of these chart patterns. And I love taking advantage of chart patterns because knowing the math, you know that you can do it. However, understanding risk management, you know that we only go for big trades. So we go for bigger moves, something like this will catch. Or this is on the week chart actually. So I'll come down to the 5-minute chart. On the 5-minute chart, we're looking for. So here's the chart pattern again. This chart pattern right here is like top. This is really top. So right here we got push, 3 pushes down. That when you see 3 pushes like that, it means that's human emotions. Like, is this price low enough? Let's try to buy it here. So the first set of buyers come in and they try to buy it here, and they're like, that's not a good enough price for me to buy at. Let's get it lower. I mean, this is kind of a mess. So right now, we got a market it's just falling down, right? The market's falling down, and then if I zoom into the segment, and these chart patterns happen all over the place. So that's why I definitely take the chart pattern course, because you're going to learn a lot more. These advanced patterns, I think I teach like over I think there's like 20 or 30 patterns that are super important. But just with this, you guys don't need all the patterns in the world. You just need a couple. So my bad, Twitch, fixing it right now. I'm fixing it for you guys so you guys can see this pattern. All right, cool. Sorry about that, guys. All right, so back to the chart pattern. So the price is rising up right now. Emotions like, oh yeah, this is a good price to sell from. They sold from that price down there. They're loving it. The buyers are loving it. They get to this price, they're like, I don't want to buy no more at this price, so let's find a better price to buy at. So they go down, and then they try to buy that price. It doesn't work. Not enough buyers. Like, oh, let's try a lower price. They go down again lower. Try to buy it. Not good enough. They're like, all right, let's try it one time. Third time, they go down, and the buyers come in. And they like this price. It only happens in threes. I don't know why, but you know, that's what they say. 3 is a magic number probably. But third try, they buy it and they love it. They love the price. It goes to another level, and then they repeat the same process again. So this is normally how the charts move over and over. So I call it the try and buy, try and sell, or a wedge pattern. Different people call it different things depending on their site. But this is a pattern that you guys are gonna see a lot. You're gonna see the price do that, then it goes up and it does it again. So you guys are gonna see it over and over. But you guys will want to catch the ones where you can get the best risk to reward. So if I put, let's say I took a trade, I see them trying to buy at a price, they don't like it. I see them trying again, they kind of don't like it. I see it third time, and I see them trying again down here. I'm like, okay, they're trying. I'll put my trade in. So I'll go for my trade. As soon as I see them come back up and I see them take off, I'll use this as my stop. I'm like, all right, this is a good stop right here for me. Then I'll go for my risk reward, like we covered earlier. I want to go 3 to 1. I don't know if you guys can see the numbers. Let me zoom in. So right here it says risk to reward ratio. I'm gonna try to just make it as visible as possible because I really want to help someone in this live. Like I want to see way more millionaires, and if you guys become millionaires off of like what I teach you guys, it's gonna mean a lot to me. So, all right, boom. So we got right here risk to reward ratio 3-to-1. Exactly what we said in the risk management section. Like we just went over risk management. If you guys are just joining now, I'm gonna replay this video. I'm gonna post a repost, but exactly what we said right here in the risk management area. You're gonna go for 3-to-1 trades. So you buy right here, jumped in, we would have bought right here. Price would have came 3-to-1, took our profit. It went past 3-to-1. It went more. You could have took more profits, but it actually went up all the way to let's see how far this went. It went to a 5. It became a 5-to-1. You could have really 5 extra money on this trade. You're like, oh, I'm just gonna hold a 5-to-1, and then wait, it goes up even more. 6-to-1. It went into 6-to-1. So depending on how long you guys like sitting in trades, what's your sentiment? Some people like sitting in trades for like 10-to-1s, 20-to-1s, all this type of stuff. You just want to be aware of the math. So take the risk management section, take the how to grow an account section. Either one of those is going to be good for you guys, but do that and understand the math behind it, and then you guys can choose what you like to do. And if you're trading with us, if you're trading with me live and stuff, you guys take the signals. You can just take the same trades and go for I already program all the math into all the trades. So if you just take the trades at the proper risk, your accounts are going to grow with me. You're just going to grow. You guys are going to make money just naturally. If you're taking the same trades with the same risk. So someone said, how can we pay you? You can't pay me. I might do some one-on-one teachings. Like if you guys want to like have me as a mentor and pay directly. It's just like, it would be tough to like, I don't want to charge someone like 10K. Like my time is like extremely, I make a lot of money in a trade. Like I say I would have put, 10K alone in this 6-to-1 or 3-to-1. It's 30K for me. So it's like, and it happens over like 30 minutes. So it's like, that's why I'm trying to do the teaching live so I can help multiple people at once. But if you really need a mentor, just message me, and then we can work something out. I'll see where you are, and then see how long it would take and stuff like that. Like I'll do some one-on-one teachings and stuff like that. But yeah, I don't have a problem. I won't do too many. Maybe like 5 people, like one person a week or something. I can help one person a week, one-on-one. But as my account grows, like right now, my journey, I'm trying to grow account to 100 million. I'm trying to get to my 100 million, and from there go up to my B. So I'm going for the 100 mil, and I love it. I really do love it, and my way to give back is by teaching this stuff because it can really help a lot of people who are interested. Let me go. Thanks for the tips. Trading psychology. So that's a chart pattern that you guys can use. Market cycles is that right there is going to take you to like a 70% trader. Once you learn market cycles, you'll be at a 70% trader. But markets basically all day long, they just, we need a way bigger. Yeah, I don't think I can do this on a small TikTok screen. I can't really teach it. So, and the course is just, if you guys want to learn market cycles, you guys have to do the course. I can't teach it here. There's just not enough space on the screen. Looking for the eraser. Those draws. All right, boom. Let's go to our next topic. I still got the list of questions, guys. I'm gonna go back. How to grow a small account. I just covered that. Trading setups. So this is actually a good one. So when we talk about trade setups, this right here is a good setup right here that I normally take. Some traders call it supply and demand. It's different words for it. I don't know if you guys can see it here. I'll zoom in. And I'll put the circle around it. Right there's a trade setup I love to take. Some people call this a supply and demand setup. I call it a rejection. Because supply and demand is like it's like any candle could be supply and demand for me, but I call it a rejection because the price, once I see a big candle like this, huge volume, so I know there's a lot of greed in the market, a lot of greed, so much that they're gonna sell it off. So boom, they start selling it, and then the fear hits in, and people start buying the fear, the pros, and then I see this giant wick right here. Let me try to paint it so you guys know what I'm talking about. I see this giant wick right there. Let me know if you guys can see it too, but I see the price shoot up, I see it go down, I see a giant rejection. Like, oh yeah, they hate that price. I mean, to me when I see it, I'm like, oh yeah, they hate this low price. They want to find a higher price. So then I'll put on a trade. I'll go for my so the price rejects up. 50% of this wick will be my stop loss, because if it goes down lower, I'm out. And then I'll go for my 3-to-1 trade right there. That's 3-to-1 trade. This is 109 ticks right here. So how much you put per tick? If you put $100 a tick or whatever, you're making, 11K right there on this one move. It's 11K move. If you're doing dollar ticks, it's like I'm not sure what a dollar tick, probably like $109 or $1,090. Or it's $109 with $10. It'd be $1,009. So you make a quick 1,000 right here. Really quick 1,000, quick 100 if you got a small account. This is a quick trade. It took, as soon as you saw the rejection, it took 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. It hit it at around 50 minutes. So it probably took like an hour to hit. But for me to take a trade like this in total time, I just set my trade, I set my stop loss, set my take profit, and I go do something else. I go watch a movie, just go chill. Like, there's no reason to stare at the charts 24/7. That's why sometimes I'll leave the charts on for you guys to watch the trade, checking on the charts. That's why it's good to follow, because you guys get to check in and stuff. Oh, how's the trade going? Dip out, see if I updated the trade, updated any moves. But I really don't. When I trade, I don't stare at the charts, because once you put money on the line, your emotional brain kicks in, as I teach earlier, and then now you're trading emotionally and stuff. And then I'm like, oh, some traders, they'll see a candle like this. Take my settings, remove that. They see like a giant wick, and they're like, oh, this giant wick over here. That giant wick is gonna, I don't know, I think it's gonna go back down, and just start freaking out and stuff like that. But in reality, if they just set their trade and forget about it, because it doesn't matter if you win or lose one trade, it's how accurate you are with 20 trades. So that's why psychology of thinking in terms of more than one trade is the most important. When you think of just one trade, you should be, if you want to grow your account faster, don't think you gotta think, how can I take 20 trades faster? That's if you want to grow account fast. Just think, how can I take 20 trades faster? Instead of thinking, how can I put more money in this one trade? Putting more money in one trade is the worst thing you can do. Taking 20 trades faster is the best thing you can do for growing an account. So think in terms of that, and that's where scalping comes into play. That's where I teach scalping. I teach scalping over here for people looking to grow fast, take more trades. I think right here how to master the 5-minute chart. So that video is really. I'll actually do a breakdown now on the scalping. I want to teach you guys some scalping stuff too.